See, this is what I need. I need a Serbian traditional house. I need to have my paprika, my luk, my kobasica, my rakia, everything homemade. I need to find my Serbian traditional wife to live the Serbian traditional life. Mwah, bebo. I will wear the noshna with her. I will wear the opanke. We'll do kolo together. We will be traveling all over the Balkans together, living in a village in a Sela somewhere on a mountain with our sheep and our goats and our pigs. I'll even make bread. Look, I'll make bread like this. I'll make some bread like that. We'll have a nice house, nice life, enjoying maybe 3 kids, 2 blizanac and 1 daughter, 2 sons, 1 daughter. It's perfect life, right? I don't need all the fancy stuff anymore. I don't need to live on Belgrade na Vodi. I don't need to live in Miami, New York. I can live here in the village. I just need to find the girl. So if you guys know anybody, let me know in the comments.